I caught yours through the breeze at dawn. A melody whispered, now it's never gone. Your voice lingers deep in the ocean's core. It's not just music, it's something much more. Her is your sound, it's where I'm bound. Lost in the waves where dreams resound. A tone that heals, a rhythm unchained. Her is your sound, where love remains. The echo breaks the silence of the night, fills restless shadows with shards of light. It's more than notes, it's DNA carved, a map to your soul, where the music started. Her is your sound,